Hello everyone, I'm Venugopal Reddy Depa, and I'm really excited to here today to talk about topic that is shaping the future of healthcare, API integration, and how MuleSoft is playing a crucial role in advancing personalized medicine. So let's start with the big numbers. So by 2025, the global healthcare API market is expected to reach 62.8 billion. So that clearly signs that healthcare industry is moving towards the digital transformation at an incredible pace. But here is the challenge. Hospitals, clinics, labs, and pharmacies all operate under different systems that they don't communicate effectively. So what does that lead to? So doctor struggles to access the patient complete medical history and test results being delayed due to the disconnected systems. And hospitals relies on slow manual data entry, increased errors and inefficiencies. So ultimately, these issues slows down the patient's care, increase cost, and lead to the poor healthcare outcomes. But there are a good. What are the good news is the API integration is solving all this. So with MuleSoft API integration approach, hospitals and healthcare organizations are seeing a 65% reduction in the integration time. So think about what this means. What used to take months or years to integrate is now happening in the fraction of time, allowing healthcare providers to adopt new technologies faster, improve workflows, and focus on the patient instead of IT challenges. So in today's session, I will walk through you through the biggest challenges in healthcare data integration and how MuleSoft API integration approach is solving these issues, and how AI and real-time data and enabling personalized medicine, and real-world case study where API integration is transformed a major healthcare network, and the impact of diagnostics, cost savings, and security. So by end of these sessions, I hope you will see the API integration is just improving the healthcare IT, but it's transforming the way we deliver the patient care. So let's move on to next slide. Okay, before we talk about the solutions, let's take a step back and look at the major challenges in healthcare industry today. So, despite advancing digital health, many hospitals, clinics, and healthcare institutions still face serious roadblocks when it comes to share and access patients' data. So, these challenges fall into the three key areas like data fragment and legacy infrastructure and regulatory complaints. So coming to data fragments, so one of the biggest issues is healthcare today is how scattered patients' data is across multiple systems. So 75% of healthcare organizations struggle to connect patients' records across different platforms. So a single hospital must coordinate patients' data across 18 different electronic health record systems. So on top of that, hospitals manage 450 terabytes of patients' imaging data, equivalent to millions of medical images. What does it mean? So doctors many times don't have full picture of patient healthcare in real time. So imaging a cancer patient recording being split across different hospitals, labs, and pharmacies. If these systems don't communicate, doctors might miss critical test results or past treatments, leading to delayed care and repeat tests, and potential diagnosis will happen. So without seeming way to integrate data, patient care slows down and error increases and costs go up. So in the second one, legacy infrastructure, hospitals and health institutions depends on technology to power increase critical operations. But here's the problem, 81% of healthcare institutions are still running systems that are 8 to 15 years of old. So these legacy platforms process 1.2 million daily transactions, but they were never designed for today's fast-moving and data-driven environment. So why this is a problem? So these outdated systems create bottlenecks, slow down the flow of critical medical data. When hospital doctors and nurses spend more time navigating outdated software instead of focusing on the patient care. So in today's world where real-time data saves lives, hospitals can't afford to rely on slow, disconnected systems. So next one is regulatory compliance. So keeping the patient's data secure. Healthcare is one of the most heavy regulated industry because of patient privacy laws, data security laws, rules, strict compliance standards. Every healthcare facility is responsible for safeguarding over 280,000 patient records, and 92% of healthcare organizations report major challenges in maintaining the compliance across their integrated systems. So these compliance challenges cause critical project delays, averaging a 187 days, that more than 6 months of setbacks. So why does this matter? So non-compliance can result heighty fines, legal risk, and loss of patient trust. So data breaches in healthcare cost on average of 10 million per incident, making security failures with incredible cost. So at the same time, hospitals need to share patients' data securely across different systems to make sure doctors have the right information at the right time. So why does this matters and how do we solve these problems? These challenges, fragmented data, outdated system, and complex compliance requirements, all creating roadblocks that slows down the healthcare innovations and impacting patients' care. So that's where API integration comes into picture. By connecting systems, automating workflows, and make sure secure data across APIs allows hospital to break down into silos, modernization infrastructure, and complying with regulations without completing replacing their existing IT systems. And this is exactly where API-led approach makes a difference. Now that we discussed the challenges in the healthcare industry, let's talk about the how MuleSoft API-led Connect approach solves these problems. So MuleSoft uses three-layer API architecture that creates a seamless, secure, and efficient healthcare ecosystem instead of replacing old systems. It connects them, allowing real-time data access, workflow automation, and a better user experience. So system APIs connect into the legacy systems of instance data access. So usually hospitals still rely on the old disconnected systems that make it difficult to retrieve patient records. And system APIs act as a bridge between these systems, allowing data to flow securely and instantly. So 78% of reduction in data access time, meaning doctors and nurses can quickly retrieve critical patient records instead of waiting on slow manual process. And this API standardized complex medical data formats ensures that data from different hospitals, labs, and pharmacies can be accessed in unified format. That leads to the faster diagnosis, quicker treatment decisions, and improve the coordination between the healthcare providers. So another layer, process API automates workflows and treatment protocols will follow. So process APIs plays a crucial role in orchestrating clinical workflows and automating complex healthcare processes. So 63% of reduction in treatment protocols implementing time, which means that patient receives the right patient faster and more efficiently. This API reduction medical errors by making sure the lab results, prescriptions, and treatments plans are automatically updated across systems. And they also automated insurance claims process, appointment scheduling, and prescription renewals, reductions, and workflows for medical staff. On other hand, Experience API enhancing user experience and patient engagement. So Experience APIs make healthcare data accessible in a simple, secure, and user-friendly way for both providers. So 82% of increase in provider satisfaction because doctors and nurses no longer have a deal with slow, outdated interface. So these APIs power personalized patient protocols, allowing individuals to view their health records and track medications and schedule appointments. So why does it matter? So by combining systems, process, and experience APIs, MuleSoft creates a fully integrated healthcare environment where data flows seamlessly between the hospitals, labs, pharmacies, and patient portals. And treatments workflows are automated, reducing delays and human errors. And doctors and patients have easily access to critical information, improving the decision making, the care's outcomes. So MuleSoft API-led approach isn't just about the IT, it's about transforming the way healthcare is delivered, make it faster, smarter, and more patient-centered. Let's move on to other slide. Okay, now that we have seen the MuleSoft API-led approach connects healthcare systems, let's talk about how integration is driving personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored specifically to each patient's unique healthcare profile. So today, healthcare is shifting from one size fits all treatments to data driven, personalized care, and APIs are playing a crucial role in making these problems. So there are three major ways APIs are transforming personalized medicine. First one is real-time data integration. This is nothing but the faster, smarter, and decision making. So one of the biggest challenge in medicine is getting the right data to doctors at the right time. With MuleSoft API powered real time data integration, we have processed 1.5 million patient data points every second. This has resulted in 71% patient clinical decision making, meaning doctors can act quickly, improving the patient outcomes. With better data availability, we have seen 48% of increase in early disease detection, helping catch illness before they become critical. And Treatments are now 62% more effective because they are based on the precise data-driven care plans tailored to each patient. So what does this mean for patient? Imagine a heart disease patient whose risk factors are identified early, allowing doctor to start the treatment before symptoms even appear. That's where the power of real-time integration in patient data will come into picture. And advanced analytics. So this comes as AI-powered diagnostics and genetics insights. So data alone isn't enough. So we need advanced analytics to extract insights and make it actionable for doctors. So our AI-powered imaging systems process 920,000 medical images every day with 82% of greater accuracy, helping doctors spot small but critical details that could be otherwise be missed. So genetic data analysis is now 88% faster, allowing physicians to create a heavily targeted personalized treatment plans for over 28,000 patients per facility each year. So what does this mean for patients is instead of writing weeks for genetic testing results, a cancer patient can now receive a personalized treatment plans with hours, improving survival rates and treatment effectiveness. So third one is clinical decision support. That is nothing but AI assisted smarter healthcare one. So with healthcare becoming a more complex, doctors need intelligent systems to assist them in making a best decisions. So our API driven clinical decision support system is transforming how care is delivered. So it handles 3.2 million clinical decisions daily with 98% accuracy, helping doctors to make the best possible choices. Treatment matching has improved by 68%, making patients receive the most efficient care of their specific conditions. And most importantly, adverse drug reactions have been reduced by 45% thanks to smart medical recommendations. So, what does it mean for the patient? A patient with multiple chronic conditions can now receive a personalized medicine plan that minimizes side effects and improves the quality of life. Okay. Now, why this matters? By integrating real-time patients' data, AI-powered analytics, and clinical decision support, we are making medicine more precise, more efficient, and more patient-centered. So doctors get the data they have instantly. Patients receive personalized treatments tailored to their genetic and health history, and AI-powered insights to help prove errors and improve outcomes. So let's talk about the unified data access. So doctors now access 15,800 patients' data points per consultation compared to just 2,900 previously. So this means that physicians no longer need to manually pull records from different systems. They get all the relevant data in one place instantly. So faster access to critical information lead to early detection and better treatment decisions. Example, imagining an emergency case where a doctor needs to check a patient past imaging lab records and genetic makers instead of searching a multiple systems, they get everything in one unified dashboard in real time. Other one is lab integration. So it's a fast and more accurate test results. Real-time synchronization of lab data has accumulated diagnosis time by 74%. So automated lab data integration reduces manually data errors, ensuring doctors have the most up-to-date test results instantly. So third one is imaging analysis. This enhances the radiology and AI-powered scans. So MuleSoft platform enables real-time integration of imaging data, so improving diagnostic speeds and accuracy. So imaging analysis accuracy has increased by 82%, allowing AI-powered tools to detect early signs of disease like cancer and neurological disorder. So false positives has been reduced and minimizing cancer treatments and anxiety of the patients will be reduced here. So third one is genetic analysis. This is nothing but 88% faster genetic data process, allowing for faster and more efficient transform treatment plans. So genetic makers are now analyzed alongside lab and imaging data, providing a more comprehensive approach to disease treatment. And fifth one, predictive analysis. AI-driven predictive analysis help identify at risk patients before symptoms even error rate have dropped by 63%, reducing the unnecessary hospital readminess. With seamless integration of lab reports, imaging data, and genetical analyzing, MuleSoft platforms a defined diagnostic in healthcare. So doctors now receive a complete real-time patient profile, leading to faster and more accurate diagnosis. And treatment plans are tailored based on real-time data, improving outcomes. So let's talk about diagnostics to the next level with AI powered technology. So AI is revolutionizing healthcare, and doctors to detect disease early, analyze genetic data faster, and predict patient outcomes with unpredictable accuracy. So by combining AI and real-time data integration, we are moving from reactive in healthcare, treating disease after they occur, to proactive care and preventing illness before they even develop. AI can analyze 2.1 million diagnostic images per day. So this has led to thousands of life-saving early interventions, preventing diseases from progressing to critical stages. And second is genetic analysis. So genetic analysis has transformed medicine, but analyzing vast amounts of genetic data used to take days or even weeks. So now with AI-driven genetic analysis, our system achieves 99% of accuracy in genetic profiling, helping identifying here data conditions and treatment processing. And it processes 32,000 genetic profile daily in under 4 minutes per patient. So this means that doctors can instantly match patients with most effective personalized treatment plans, and prediction capabilities will comes into picture, like forecasting patients outcome before systems develop. So predicting patient comes used to rely on past experience and intuition, but now AI can analyze millions of clinical cases to forecast healthcare risk with extreme accuracy. So our prediction modelizing achieves 93% of accuracy in forecasting patient outcomes with 30 days, and system analyzes 4.2 million clinical data points daily, providing proactive alerts to the doctors. So this helps preventing complications before they occur, allowing for early inventions and save lives. And why this matters with AI powered diagnostics, and we are not just improving medicine, we are changing the way healthcare works. So doctors can detect disease sooner, leading the early treatment and better survival rates. And genetic analysis allows for prediction medicine, making sure every patient gets the right treatment faster. Let's talk about other slide. Now let's move on from technology theory to real world impact with groundbreaking case study. This case focuses on one of the America's largest healthcare networks, which includes 920 healthcare facilitates and serves as 13.8 million patients annually. So before implementing MuleSoft API-led integration, this network struggles with slow system deployments, high operation costs, and outdated infrastructure. However, by modernizing their systems and streamlining integration, the results were transformative. 68% of faster system integrations from 210 days to just 58 days. Okay, let's break down to key achievements. Okay, let's break down to key achievements. So before MuleSoft, deploying a new system across facility took 210 days, almost like 7 months. With MuleSoft API solutions, deployment time was cut down into just 58 days. A 68% improvement will happen here. This allowed new hospitals, clinics, and digital service to go live with much faster, reducing the bottlenecks in IT implementation. So why does this matter? And hospitals adopting new technology can't offer long delays. Faster integration means doctors and nurses can start using new digital tools soon, and ultimately the benefits to patients' care. And by optimizing workflows and automating data exchange between hospitals, labs, pharmacies, and insurance providers, the network saved 9.5 million annually. So manual data entry was reduced, and processes like insurance verification, patient records access, and prescription fulfillment were automated. Redundant IT maintenance costs were eliminated, making decisions much more cost efficient will happen. And within 18 months, the healthcare network achieved a 182% return on investment, one of the fastest and highest in the industry. See, the cost of implementing MuleSoft API was fully recovered with the first year. The success set to a benchmark for other healthcare organizations looking to modernize their systems without compiling, replacing existing infrastructure. So why does this matter? So many healthcare organizations hesitate to invest in new technology due to budget constraints, but this case study proves that API integration is not it's an investment with fast and measurable returns. So This case studies proves that API-led connectivity is more than just an IT upgrade, it's just a fundamental shifts in how healthcare operates. Hospitals can integrate new systems nearly 70% faster, make sure they stay ahead in digital transformation, and massive cost saving allow for better resource allocation, improving overall patient care. The ROI speak for itself. So modernizing healthcare IT infrastructure is not just beneficial, it's essential for long-term sustainability. MuleSoft don't just improve this healthcare network, it's just set the stage of smarter, faster, and more connected future for healthcare. Okay, let's move on to other slide. Okay, let's talk about diagnosis. So now we have seen API integration transform system efficiency. Now let's dive deeper into how improved diagnostics, one of the most crucial areas in healthcare. How MuleSoft integration platform is ensuring precision, speed up results, and improving the patient safety. So let's discuss about accuracy enhancement. So 48% of boost in diagnostic precision and preventing over 15,200 potential medical errors annually. So this improvement has directly contributed to better patient safety outcomes, reducing misdiagnosis and unnecessary treatments. So why does this matter? Diagnosis lead to delayed on incorrect treatments, sometimes with life-threatening consequences. With improved diagnosis accuracy, patients get the right treatment faster and improve the survival rates at long-time health outcomes. Processing speed. So from 52 hours to just 5.8 hours. So before implementing MuleSoft solution, diagnostics confirmation time took up to 52 hours, more than 2 full days, I think. Now, this same diagnosis are confirmed in just 5.8 hours, and 89% improvement happened. So what does this matter? So faster diagnostic means faster treatment decisions. A patient in emergency room does have days to wait for test results. Getting a accurate diagnosis with hours or even minutes can be life-saving. And imagining analysis. So AI diagnostic imaging process 1.2 million medical imaging images per month. So 99.85 accuracy rate, meaning few missed diagnosis and more confidence in imaging results. So false results have been reduced by 62% and make sure that patients aren't subjected to unnecessary test treatments or stress. So why does it matter? With traditional imaging errors or delays in reading scans can lead to missed tumors, undiagnosed fractures, or delayed detection of life-threatening conditions. AI-powered imaginary makes sure every detail is captured with very perfect accuracy. So 71% of reduction in diagnostics turnaround time for critical cases, enabling rapid interventions when every second. So in conditions like strokes, heart attacks, every minute of delay increase the risk of complications or death. So with faster diagnostics, doctors can immediately start life-saving treatment instead of waiting for lab results. So doctors have access to more precise real-time data. Patients have received diagnosis faster, leading to early treatments. And AI-powered imaging reduces the false treatments to improve the confidence in results. And critical conditions are identified sooner, giving patients a better chance of survival. So this isn't just an IT upgrade; it's revolution in diagnostics, make sure better outcomes of millions of patients. So let's move on to other slide. So far, we have talked about how API integration has improved diagnostics, treatment, accuracy, and patient care. But another major benefit is how it enhances efficiency, reducing cost, and improves the system scalability. So healthcare organizations deals with millions of patient requests daily, and it access that data is low or efficient, it directly impacts patient outcomes. So MuleSoft API-led integration has transformed how hospitals manage patient records, cut development costs, and build a scalable infrastructure that is ready for the future. So let's look at three key improvements in this area. So record access improvement. So healthcare provider no access patient records in just 28 seconds, down for 5.5 minutes, a 91% improvement here. So this enables faster emergency response, better decision making, and reduced wait times for patients. The system now processes 1.2 million patient records requests per day with 99.995% accuracy, make sure real and secure access critical information. So why does this matter? So in an emergency room setting, waiting every 5 minutes of patient record could mean delayed treatment. So with instant access, doctors can make life-saving decision faster, improving the survival rates and reducing the complications. So second one is development cost reduction. So 14.2 million in annual saving through strategic system optimization and 58% reduction in development cost, which eliminates unnecessary technical debts, created a more maintainable future-proof infrastructure that benefit both providers and patients. So why does this matter? So many healthcare systems spends millions of dollars maintaining outdated IT structure, by maintaining MuleSoft API, organization can eliminate efficiency, reduce IT cost, and reinvest savings into patient care and innovations. The other one is maintenance and scalability, that is for future proofing healthcare systems. So 72% of decrease in system maintenance costs reduce the operational expenses while maintaining high system performances. So 78% increase in system scalability allows hospital to support more patient, integrate new technology, and spend service without infrastructure limitations. So this makes sure seamless HIPAA compliance across all access points, keeping patients' data secure without slowing down the workflows. So why does this matter? So as healthcare system continues to grow and handle large amounts of data, they need scalable, efficient, and secure solutions. So this transformation makes sure healthcare provider can expand, innovative, and improve patient experience without worrying about IT limitations. So why this matters for future of healthcare? So doctors and nurses get patient record faster, enabling quicker and more informed treatment decisions. And hospitals save millions in IT costs, allowing them to allocate more resources to patient care and advanced technologies. So a scalable infrastructure makes sure healthcare organizations are ready for future innovations, AI-driven healthcare, and expanded patients' needs. This isn't just a short-term improvement, it's a long-term transformation, creating a faster, a more efficient, and future-proof healthcare systems. So let's discuss on other slide. Okay. As a healthcare organization, expand their digital capabilities, security, and compliance become more critical than ever. So patient data is among the most sensitive information in the world, and a single data breach can lead to financial penalties and legal consequences and loss of patient trust. So that's why MuleSoft API-led integration is built in enterprise grade security and strict compliance measures, and make sure the data is protected, monitored, and accessible only by the right people. So let's explore a 5 key security pillars that make it possible. So first one is end-to-end encryption. So MuleSoft secures patients' data with military-grade encryption, providing 99.9995% protection effectiveness. So it handles 4.8 million sensitive transactions daily, making sure patient records remain private and secure. So why does this matter? So encryption makes sure that even if data is interpreted, it remains unreadable to unauthorized user. So this level of security meets and exceeds healthcare industry standard protection patient confidentiality. And data governance. Coming to data governance, 91% of improvement in data quality metrics, reducing errors and inconsistency in medical records. So 76% of reduction in data handling violations ensures hospitals complies with strict data protection policies. Why does this matter? Clean, accurate data is essential for patient safety. Error in medical records can lead to misdiagnosis or incorrect treatments. Controls, preventing breaches. 14,200 role-based access permissions per organization. Make sure only unauthorized personnel can access specific data. So 82% decrease in security breaches caused by unauthorized access attempts. So why does this matter? So not even hospital employees should have access to all patient records. So MuleSoft enforces strict role-based control to prevent unauthorized access. So this makes sure that one doctor, nurse, and unauthorized staff can see the information they need, nothing more, nothing less. And audit log. So AI powered threat detecting and monitoring, we can think about in this case. So monitoring 3.8 million security events daily, identifying potential threats in real time. So AI powered detection systems providing 99.8% accuracy, proactively flagging suspicious activity before it becomes a breach. So why does this matter? So cybersecurity and healthcare organization has increased by 58% in the last 5 years. Real-time monitoring makes sure that threats are detected and stopped before any damage occurs. So hospitals can quickly investigate and respond to potential security incidents, protect patients' data, and maintaining trust. And HIPAA complaints. So 97% of reduction in complaints incidents due to the automated regulatory monitoring. So processes 6.2 million complaints verification daily. Make sure constant adherence to industry regulations. So why does this matter? Regulatory compliance is complex and manual processing can lead to errors, fines, and legal risks. So with automated compliance check, hospitals can make sure they meet HIPAA and other healthcare security standards 24 by 7 without extra manual efforts. Why this matters for healthcare organizations? So patient records are encrypted, protected, and accessed only by authorized personally. So security monitor runs 24 by 7, detects threats with near perfect accuracy. So regulation compliance is automated, reducing the risk of violations and fines. So with MuleSoft API-led security framework, healthcare organizations can confidently embrace digital transformation without compiling on privacy, security, and compliance. Let's move on to other slide. Okay. As we wrap up, let's take a step back and look the big picture, how MuleSoft API-led connectivity is fundamental transforming healthcare delivery. We have covered how MuleSoft platform improves diagnostics, enhancing patient record access, strengthening security, and reduces cost. At its core, this transformation is about one thing, better patient care. Let's summarize the three key ways this technology is shaping the future of healthcare. Integration success. So this means no more delays, no more missing data. Even healthcare provider has access to the full picture in the real time. MuleSoft did not just connect systems, it's just connected care. And personalized medicine. MuleSoft has become the backbone for personalized medicine. So AI-driven analytics allows healthcare providers to tailor treatments based on the genetics, medical history, and predictive models. So this leads to higher therapy effectiveness, fewer side effects, and better long-term health outcomes. So this isn't just a digital transformation, it's a medical transformation and future ready healthcare. So built for the innovative and the growth. So MuleSoft industry leading security protocols make sure patients' data remains protected even as digital healthcare expands. So why does this matter? Healthcare is constantly evolving and hospitals need technology that can adapt to their new advancements. With MuleSoft, organizations are future proofed, ready to embrace emerging innovations in AI, robotics, and digital healthcare transformations. So this isn't just solving the today's problem, it's preparing healthcare for next decade and beyond. So final thoughts about this transformation healthcare delivery. For integration medicine to future ready healthcare, MuleSoft ATI-led connectivity is setting a new standards in the industry. This isn't just about the IT upgrades, it's about the saving lives, improving patient experience, and making healthcare more efficient and accessible. So by embracing digital transformation, we are not just improving the hospitals, we are reshaping the future of medicine. So the future of medicine is connected, intelligent, and patient focused, and MuleSoft is leading the way. Let's move on to next slide. So that brings us the end of this session today. So we explored how MuleSoft API-led integration is transforming the healthcare from breaking down data silos and improving the diagnostics to enabling the personalized messaging and future-proofing healthcare systems. So this is more than just technology. It's about empowering doctors, enhancing patients' care, and ultimate saving lives. I appreciate your time and attention, and I hope this session has given you valuable insights into how API integration is shaping